In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use V0 by Vercel. Start by opening your browser and heading to VApp Chat. This is the main workspace where you'll interact with the AI. To begin, start a new chat. A fresh chat keeps your prompts and results focused on the task at hand, which is especially helpful as your project grows. Before you type anything, decide how you want to give the AI context. If you already have designs, choose Add from Figma to pull in frames or components from your files. If your assets live locally, use Upload from Computer to drop in images or files the model can reference. If you want inspiration, open from the community to explore examples built by others and use Browse All to see the full library of components, patterns, and ideas. Next, click on Search. This brings up a universal command bar where you can type a command or search here. Use it to quickly find components, jump to pages, or discover commands without digging through menus. Clear, specific queries work best. When you're ready to structure your work, go to Projects. Click New Project, then create a new project. Give it a concise, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, and click Create. Projects help you separate experiments from production work and keep chats, assets, and themes organized in one place. If you need to pick up where you left off, open Recent Chats. This view is great for jumping back into active threads without starting over. For design consistency, head to Design Systems. Open it, then click New Theme to establish the foundations of your brand's look and feel. This is where you manage tokens like colors, typography, and spacing so everything you generate stays consistent across pages. To speed up layout and content, click Templates. This takes you to a gallery of ready-made, high-quality starting points. When you find one that fits your use case, choose Remix a Template. Remixing creates your own editable copy so you can customize safely without changing the original. As you explore, click Favorites to save templates you'll reuse often. Keeping a curated set of favorites makes it easy to maintain visual consistency and move faster across projects. That's the core flow. Start a chat, bring in context from Figma or files, explore community resources, search to move quickly, create a project to organize your work, revisit recent chats, build a design system with a new theme, leverage templates, remix what you like, and favorite your go-tos. Pause the video as needed and follow along step by step, and you'll be productive in V0 in no time.